Do you know there are some amazing countries where you don't even need to apply for a visa before you travel? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. There are several destinations around the world that let you visit with just your passport and a plane ticket, making travel super easy and hassle-free. Imagine being able to explore new countries without all the paperwork and waiting for visa approval. If you're a traveler who loves spontaneity and adventure, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 visa-free countries you can visit right now. Let's jump right into it and discover these incredible destinations. 1. Indonesia. A tropical paradise awaits. Ever wanted to visit a tropical paradise? Indonesia is calling your name. With 30 days of visa-free travel, Indonesia is perfect for spontaneous travelers looking for a relaxing getaway or an adventure in nature. Whether you're planning to explore the stunning beaches of Bali or get lost in the lush rice terraces, Indonesia offers so much to discover. And hey, you might even get the chance to meet a Komodo dragon. The best part? Your money goes a long way here. For every $1 you spend, you'll get around 16,000 Indonesian rupiah. So, whether you're staying in a cozy guest house for just $10 a night or indulging in a luxurious jungle villa for $80, you can experience it all on a budget. The food is cheap, spicy, and incredibly delicious, and the beaches? Unforgettable. So, if you're looking for the perfect combination of stunning landscapes and low costs, Indonesia is a dream come true. 2. Serbia, Europe on a budget. If you're dreaming of a European getaway but don't want to break the bank, then Serbia should be at the top of your list. For travelers from many countries, including the US and India, Serbia offers visa-free access for up to 30 to 90 days. This means you can explore the vibrant city of Belgrade without worrying about paperwork. Belgrade is known for its electric nightlife and floating river clubs. But don't be fooled, Serbia isn't just about partying. The cost of living is much lower than in Western Europe, making it a great spot for budget travelers. You can find accommodation for less than $15 a night and enjoy tasty local meals for just $4. Plus, Serbia is still relatively undiscovered by tourists, which means you'll get to enjoy a more authentic experience. So, why not visit this underrated gem and explore all the charm it has to offer? 3. Fiji, your dream island getaway. Picture clear blue waters, soft sandy beaches, and green jungles. That's Fiji. Many travelers think of Fiji as the perfect paradise, and with visa-free travel for up to 4 months, it's the ideal place to escape. Fiji is famous for its beautiful beaches and colorful coral reefs, and it's more than just a place to visit, it's an unforgettable experience. While it may not be the cheapest, it's still affordable compared to other tropical islands. You can stay in beach huts for just $25 a night and enjoy fresh fish and tropical fruit for only a few dollars. The friendly Fijian people make you feel right at home, and the relaxed vibe is perfect for unwinding. Whether you're exploring the islands or just chilling under a palm tree, Fiji offers a peaceful escape where you can enjoy paradise without worrying about visa paperwork. 4. Nepal, see the Himalayas up close. Have you ever dreamed of seeing the mighty Himalayas up close? Nepal is your chance to make that dream a reality. The best part is, Indian citizens don't even need a visa to visit Nepal, while others can easily get a visa on arrival. Whether you're hiking to Everest Base Camp or exploring the vibrant streets of Kathmandu, Nepal is an adventure waiting to happen. The cities are a whirlwind of color and energy, with bustling markets and temples at every corner. For nature lovers, Pokhara offers peaceful lakes and breathtaking mountain views. The best part? You don't need to spend a lot of money to explore Nepal. With daily costs as low as $20, including food, accommodation, and transport, you'll get more bang for your buck. So, pack your hiking boots, grab your passport, and prepare to be amazed by the natural beauty that Nepal has to offer. 5. Jamaica, relax and explore. Looking for a relaxing yet exciting getaway? Jamaica is the place for you. Many passport holders, including those from the US and India, can enjoy visa-free entry for up to 90 days. While Jamaica is famous for its reggae music and stunning beaches, there's so much more to explore. Visit the Blue Mountains to see coffee farms, hike to beautiful waterfalls, and enjoy delicious street food. You can feast on jerk chicken and fried fish for as little as $3 to $5, and cozy homestays start at just $30 per night. The island's laid-back vibe makes it the perfect place to unwind, and with no visa hassles, you can simply relax and enjoy the beauty of Jamaica without any stress. With so many hidden gems around the island, you'll always have a new adventure waiting around every corner. What makes visa-free travel so amazing? Visa-free travel is like a secret to freedom. It means you can plan a trip on a whim without worrying about the time and effort it takes to get a visa. Whether you're a digital nomad, a spontaneous explorer, or someone who simply enjoys the ease of traveling, visa-free countries offer a hassle-free experience. All you need is your passport and a flight ticket, and you're ready to go. This is the beauty of visa-free travel. It removes the barriers and makes exploring new places simpler and more accessible. Every journey becomes an adventure in itself, where you can focus more on experiences and less on paperwork. Why should you travel to these countries? The reasons to visit these visa-free countries are endless. From the beauty of Bali's beaches in Indonesia to the hidden treasures of Serbia, each country offers a unique experience that's easy to enjoy. Plus, these countries tend to be more affordable, allowing you to stretch your travel budget while experiencing some of the best attractions the world has to offer. Whether you're interested in cultural experiences, relaxing on beaches, hiking in mountains, or exploring vibrant cities, these visa-free destinations have something for every type of traveler. And the best part? You don't need to wait for a visa to start your adventure. It's all about packing your bags and going. Now that you know about these amazing visa-free countries, which one is calling your name? Do you want to relax on the beaches of Fiji or hike through the Himalayas in Nepal? Maybe you're ready to explore the nightlife in Belgrade or soak in the culture of Jamaica. The world is full of incredible places just waiting for you to explore, and with visa-free access to these top 5 countries, your next adventure could be just a passport away. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love to travel, and let me know in the comments which country you would like to visit first. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more travel tips, guides, and exciting adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.